KMAR, a global enterprise, is headquartered in Southern California, where we maintain a state-of-the-art on-premise manufacturing facility, as well as a 25,000 square foot warehouse featuring a well-cataloged multi-million-dollar inventory. And while KMAR proudly represents a wide-ranging group of product lines, we are always looking to form new strategic partnerships to provide our customers with an even wider variety of available parts. If your company currently holds excess inventory, we want to discuss our warehousing and consignment programs with you. If you're a manufacturing company, call us immediately. Together, we will create the optimal solution to substantially increase your revenue and customer base. KMAR proudly supports Lockheed Martin's C-130 Hercules, C-5 Galaxy, F-16 Fighting Falcon, and the P-3 Orion. Sikorsky's CH-53 Sea Stallion, S-61 Sea King, SH-3 Sea King, and the UH-60 Blackhawk. Boeing-supported aircraft include the CH-47 Chinook, F-15 Eagle, F-18 Hornet, AH-64 Apache, and the AV-8 Harrier. Northrop Grumman's F-5 Freedom Fighter, T-38 Talon, and the E-2 Hawkeye. KMAR also supports McDonnell Douglas's A-4 Skyhawk and F-4 Phantom, North American's OV-10 Bronco, Cessna's T-37 Tweet, de Havilland's DHC-4 Caribou, and the Pilatus PC-6 Turboporter and the PC-9M.